At this moment, I'm sure you have heard of NotebookLM. If you haven't heard it, just let me brief about it. NotebookLM is a free AI tool from Google which helps you in doing research and ideation. It's a really powerful tool, but most people use it wrong. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can unlock its full potential and use NotebookLM on steroids. I'm here on my screen now, and this is the home page of NotebookLM. Now, whenever someone creates a new notebook, this is what they do. Specifically, they will be adding different sources by attaching the links here. For example, if they want to do some research part, they will be taking one research paper, then another research paper, and adding their links here one by one. But this new feature of NotebookLM is going to change the way you use it. So they introduced something called deep research. This is where the game changes. Now you don't have to manually enter all the topics and all the resources here. What it does, it you can simply type in your main thing that you want to research on, your main topic. Let's say for example, I want to do the research on the future of AI. So this is where you can enter the topic here, and you can switch to web, and here from fast to deep research, and then hit enter. And this is where the magic happens. The usual way of doing it is to add the sources manually one by one, but this way uses a deep research on the internet, and it provides you all the possible sources which are cited and non-cited, and you can use it to do your research a lot more faster. It can give you almost from 20 to 60 sources which you might not even heard of. So this is really powerful. Let me show you once this is ready. Okay, so once the deep research is done, this is how you will see. You will see all the resources which are cited here. You can see the report which is attached here, and all the cited and non-cited sources here. Now what you will be required is to select the sources and then do the import here. And once you do that, it will import all the sources which are there, and you don't have to do it manually. You see, a lot of time saved here. Imagine you adding 60 to 40 sites in this just to finish your research part. That's a lot of work, so better to do it this way. While this is being done, let's rename it to our main topic, which is the future of AI. Now all the sources are imported and the summary is generated, and some of the sources are showing in red. These are the sources which are hidden behind paywall or having some login issues in there. So we can remove all of them using this feature, which is remove all failed sources at once. You don't have to do it manually. You can remove it in single click. I did that part. And this is where our deep research on the future of AI is ready. Now what I can do here is to have chat with this AI and get more info about it, or I can create mind maps and reports directly using NotebookLM. So for the mind map creation, you can simply click on this one and it will create the mind map of all these sources. So for example, this is ready and this is how it will look like. It's a simple mind map that says the impact of AI on human thought 2025 to 2026. And we can go deep dive into each topic which are present here. We can see a lot of things which are going on here, a lot of different branches which we might not even thought of. For the report creation part and briefing about it, you can simply click on this report section, and this is where you will get all the formatted options and some suggestions as well. Or you can create your own custom report as well. Just provide the prompt here and it will help you create your custom report based on the details that you provided. Now let's take this one for example. I want to convert this into a concept explainer. So I will click on it, and this will start creating the concept explainer for me. Along with that, you can also create audio overviews, video overviews, quizzes, which will help you recall your learning process. You can also create flashcards, infographics, and pitch decks. So that was just one simple adjustment which can save you a lot of time and help you speed up your research process. Let me know what do you think about it in the comments, and subscribe and like for more videos like this.